What's going on? Welcome back to Breezy Acres. I'm Jonathan, and today we're going to try skidding some logs with the BX23s. I'm going to show you two ways that I usually do it, depending on where the logs are. First way we're going to do it is off the back of the quick hitch, and we're just going to tie it around the front and get it as close to the quick hitch as we can so that we can lift the front off the ground so we can skid it up to the house. Now you might be asking why we're skidding logs. That's going to be a story for next week. And remember, if you like the video, subscribe and like the video because the YouTube gods demand it. So first I just need to get this thing straight so we can get it tied up. Kind of put it on the end. I wish I had a lot shorter chain, but I don't. Now, I'm going to chain it up temporarily for now. See if that'll pull tight. And then I got this hook here, which I can kind of just hang on this hook, and then we can just feed the chain into it. And we'll just have to wrap the rest of this chain around the top here. Now, I should be able to lift it up. Is you want to kind of try to keep the front off the ground so it's not digging in the ground, because then it's going to be way harder for the tractor to tow. Okay, now the other way I will sometimes do it, depending on how the log is positioned, if I kind of need to get it up in the air to get it out, we can use the bucket here, put the chain around the bucket, and that way, like for this log, this is a pretty long one. This is a really long one. We'll see if we can get it out. I'll chain it around there, chain it around the bucket, and then I'll lift it up so that I can kind of lift it out of where it is. So we'll give that a try. Again, we'll choke this around the front of the log. And I'm going to move the tractor a little closer. have it as close to the log as you can. And close to the center of the bucket, so when you're lifting, you're putting all the load in the center of the bucket, not off to the side. Again, this would be easier with a different chain. It's the only one I got right now. And or if you had a hook up here, would probably be even easier. So let's see if this will lift it up. So that's a good method of yanking it out of there. It does get more tippy, like the bucket was a little higher there than I wanted. So I'm not going to pull it all the way up to the house that way. We'll flip it around and put it back on the quick hitch. So yeah, that's a 27-foot log by about 13 inches. So I don't know what it weighs, but it is poplar, so it's a little bit heavier. I think it fell down in the Fiona storm a couple years ago. But yeah, the little tractor pulled it up no problem. So those are two ways that I found for skidding with the tractor that seem to work pretty well. Let me know in the comments if you have any other ideas that I could use to make the skidding even better. Thanks for watching, and we'll be talking.